LifeClean is a gentle, safe and effective solution for the cleaning of large public areas such as cinemas. It cleans, disinfects and protects. If used in combination with a fogger, large public areas can easily be sprayed, including the fabric seating and textiles, which makes disinfecting easy, fast and cost-effective. LifeClean kills a lot of microorganisms and it even eliminates coronavirus in 30 seconds. LifeClean can be used in a range of applications, from manually applying on wipes or cloths to various spraying, misting and fogging machinery. It is easy to wipe the armrest and no residues will be left on the surface. Although LifeClean is one of the most effective disinfectants available on the market, it contains a low concentration of active chemistry. Therefore, it doesn't require any hazard signs on the bottle. In a few seconds, a lot of cubic meters are covered, cleaned and therefore ready for the next show to start.